This video will show you how to disassemble the front cover of a Q14 and an Omega. The following tools are required to perform this maintenance: a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure you always disconnect the machine from power. Remove the screws at both sides of the cover. When unscrewed, you can take out the cover by starting to pull the bottom side towards yourself. Disconnect the cables first before you can remove the cover completely. Then you can pull out the front cover. Next, you can remove the metal plate by removing the 8 screws. When all the screws are removed, you can pull out the metal plate. You can now perform any maintenance. Place back the metal plate by pushing it into place. Then you can reattach the 8 screws. First, reconnect the wiring of the machine. To place back the cover, first insert it at the upper side underneath the profile. Use your hands to support the cover when pressing it back into place. Reattach the screws on both sides of the machine. You have now successfully disassembled the front cover. For more instructions, go to ultrasuninternational.com.